Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best cash app investment. So let's really dive into it. If you want the easiest investment on cash app, start with fractional stock, which lets you invest in big companies with as little as $1. It's commission free, beginner friendly, and perfect for building a simple long-term portfolio. Pair this with cash app auto invest to buy a little at a time and avoid timing the market. For crypto fan, Bitcoin is the main option. You can also buy it from as low as $1, track the price change in real time, and use recurring buys to smooth out your volatility. Stock gives you steady long-term growth, while Bitcoin offers a higher risk and a higher potential upside. Many users simply invest in both: stock for stability, Bitcoin for long-time crypto exposure, and that's it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more fast investing tips, and comment which one you are planning to choose first. And that's it.